Listen and repeat. You will hear 7 sentences. Listen to each sentence carefully. After the beep, repeat the sentence out loud. You have 7 seconds.
Welcome to our library checkout station. Please follow these steps to borrow books. First, scan your student identification card on the pad. Place your books on the glass surface one at a time. Wait for the screen to show that your items are ready. You can print a small paper receipt if you need to remember the date when the books are due back. Make sure to take your student card with you before you leave the library checkout area today.
Take an interview. An interviewer will ask you 4 questions on a single topic. Listen to each question carefully. After the beep, give your spoken answer. You have 30 seconds per question.
Thank you for joining me. Please think back to a memorable holiday or special family tradition you celebrated in the past, such as a festive meal, a birthday gathering, or a seasonal trip. What happened during that event, and why is that specific memory meaningful to you? People celebrate traditions in many different ways. Some prefer large, loud gatherings with many relatives, while others enjoy small, quiet moments with just their immediate family. How do you usually like to spend your holidays, and why do you prefer that approach? Now I'd like your opinion. Some people believe that maintaining old family traditions is essential for keeping a family close, while others feel it is more important to create new experiences that fit modern life. Do you agree that old traditions should be preserved? Why or why not? One last question. Do you think workplaces or schools should be more flexible during major holidays, Perhaps by offering longer breaks or allowing employees and students to work from home. Why do you think this would or would not be a good policy for society?